If you're looking for the best self-tanner, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Body Mousse. The airy formula of Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Body Mousse makes the application of this self-tanner so simple and easy. All you need to do is apply it to clean, prep skin, and use it sparingly around your elbows, ankles, and knees. You'll enjoy an even, streak-free application that dries in just 60 seconds. The color develops instantly and continues to deepen over the next few hours. The end result mimics the natural glow of a suntan without the damage. Best of all, it moisturizes at the same time. Finally, it has a tropical, fruity scent that will transport your mind to a sunshiny beach in no time. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Tan-Luxe The Gradual. Build a glowing golden tan over time with Tan-Luxe The Gradual. It's a lightweight moisturizer that begins to develop a beautiful golden glow within an hour. Incorporate it into your daily routine and build your tan deeper with each application. It gives you great control over the final shade, so you don't end up too dark or patchy. This also makes it perfect for beginner self-tanners who are hesitant about making mistakes. Finally, the revolutionary Oil Lotion Hybrid feels incredible and absorbs really well, leaving no streaks behind. The number 3 position is held by Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner. If you're looking for a more natural self-tanning option, don't go past Beauty by Earth. The recipe skips the harmful parabens, phthalates, and chemical-based active ingredients. Instead, you'll find a cruelty-free formula full of organic aloe vera, shea butter, botanical extracts, and DHA. Plus, it's excellent for all skin types, including sensitive skin. You'll enjoy a sun-kissed glow without the damage of harmful UV rays or the risk of looking like an Oompa Loompa. There's a Sublime coconut scent, and the smooth, creamy texture glides onto your skin smoothly. You'll see results within 6 to 8 hours, and your golden glow will last 4 to 6 days. Next at number 4, we have Tan Physics True Color Sunless Tanner. Get a deep, luxurious tan easily with Tan Physics True Color Sunless Tanner. It's specially formulated with anti-aging ingredients to hydrate, replenish, and restore a youthful appearance to your skin, all while giving you a bronze glow. For the best results, apply to smooth exfoliated skin. There'll be no streaks, orange tint, or lingering smells. The number 5 position is held by Coco and Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit. Coco and Eve has released the world's first 100% natural DHA self-tan body treatment with full skincare benefits. It's a lightweight mousse that makes application easy, dries fast, and develops in just 2 hours. The formula is infused with raw coconut, botanicals, and amino acids, further supported by powerful antioxidants from fig, banana, papaya, and cocoa. Together, these ingredients hydrate, minimize the appearance of pigmentation and stretch marks, and reduce the signs of aging. Application is simple, using circular motions before rinsing off in warm water after 2 hours. Alternatively, you can also sleep in it overnight for deeper color, without the fear of it transferring to your clothes or sheets. Finally, it's also cruelty-free and vegan, so you won't feel guilty using this sunless self-tanner. The number 6 position is dominated by Clarins Self-Tanning Milky Lotion. Tan your whole body from head to toe with this Milky Lotion from Clarins. It's lightweight and ultra-hydrating thanks to the addition of aloe vera and fig extract. The smooth, silky texture makes it easy to apply for streak-free, glowing results. Clarins uses an exclusive combination of self-tanning molecules DHA and erythrulose, which creates a natural-looking and long-lasting tan without blotchiness or the dreaded orange tint. Use light sweeping motions to apply the lotion to your skin, giving it a few minutes to dry before dressing and continuing with your day. Moving on to the next at number 7 with L'Oreal Paris Skincare Sublime Bronze Hydrating Sunless Tanning Milk. Regardless if you're a beginner or a pro self-tanner, L'Oreal Paris Skincare Sublime Bronze Hydrating Sunless Tanning Milk is an excellent choice. It's designed to create a buildable shade that gives you the perfect tan year-round. The ultra-hydrating formula includes vitamin E to nourish the skin, leaving it soft and glowing, Apply the Milky lotion to clean, dry skin 3 times a week for a gradual tan. Alternatively, you can use it between other tanning applications to maintain moisture and your ideal sun-kissed look. The number 8 position is held by Isle of Paradise Fake Tan Water. Isle of Paradise's Fake Tan Water certainly doesn't look like a traditional self-tanning lotion. This vegan-friendly product is easy to use and develops in 4 to 6 hours. Simply spritz onto exfoliated skin and blend with a tanning mitt using sweeping motions. It dries quickly, and you're good to go. The nourishing ingredients include coconut, avocado, chia seed, and eucalyptus oils, as well as grapefruit extract. Plus, the liquid's green hue contains color-correcting active ingredients to eliminate red tones for the perfect golden tan. While this shade is universally flattering for an all-over glow, it's particularly good for people with fair skin who prefer a lighter shade. Next at number 9, we have Golden Star Beauty Self Tanner Dry Oil. Indulge in an all-over tan without the UV damage. Golden Star Beauty Self Tanner Dry Oil is cruelty, gluten, and paraben-free, as well as vegan. Made in the USA and contains certified organic ingredients. The dry oil formula is simple to apply and absorbs well without leaving any residue to stain your clothes. Simply spray it evenly on your skin and rub it in. Allow it 10 to 15 minutes to dry completely before dressing. If you're in doubt, it also comes with a handy guide with tips and tricks for achieving the perfect streak-free tan. The ingredients include sugarcane-derived DHA for the perfect color, as well as jojoba, avocado, macadamia, and evening primrose oils. Lastly, there's also hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture to the skin for extra hydration. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Self-Tanning Foam. Bondi Sands is made in Australia but globally loved. The Liquid Gold Self-Tanning Foam is perfect for giving you a golden glow as if you've just stepped out from the hot Aussie sun. It's infused with moisturizing argan oil, has a lovely coconut scent, and is touch dry in seconds. It's also ideal for quick applications if you're a bit time poor. The foam formula makes it easy to smooth over your body with a tanning mitt for streak-free results. Dress and continue about your day while your golden tan continues to develop over the next 2 to 3 hours. Plus, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and made down under. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.